Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook softshell turtle. First, ensure the turtle is humanely dispatched if it's live. Then, you'll need to clean it thoroughly. This involves carefully removing the skin, which is quite delicate, and all internal organs. Once cleaned, separate the delicious meat from the shell and any remaining bones. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful and enjoyable meal, setting the stage for the next steps in our culinary journey. After preparing the turtle, it's time to cut the meat into manageable, bite-sized pieces, ideally around 1 to 2 inches. This size ensures even cooking and makes it easier to eat. Next, marinate the meat for at least 30 minutes or even up to 2 hours to infuse it with flavor and tenderize it. A good marinade might include garlic, ginger, soy sauce, and a touch of lime juice. Make sure every piece is well coated for the best results. Softshell turtle meat is incredibly versatile and can be prepared using several delicious methods. Frying is a popular choice. Simply coat the pieces in seasoned flour and deep fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're beautifully golden and crispy. Alternatively, stewing the meat in a flavorful broth with your favorite vegetables for 1 to 2 hours yields a wonderfully tender and rich dish. Grilling also works well, offering a smoky flavor. Once your softshell turtle is cooked to perfection, it's time to serve. If you've fried it, consider pairing it with classic sides like creamy coleslaw, crispy hush puppies, or a zesty dipping sauce. For stewed turtle, a bed of fluffy rice, creamy mashed potatoes, or some crusty bread to soak up that rich broth would be ideal. Don't forget to add a sprinkle of fresh herbs, like parsley or cilantro, for a vibrant finish and an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.